Good morning everyone. In our today's English class, we started our very first poem of English literature, and name of this poem is Tell Us a Tale. So before starting, we discuss these two questions given in JETSECT during the class. So I asked, do you all like to listen to fairy tales? You all answered yes. What are fairy tales? Fairy tales are those stories that talks about fairies or angels and magical powers. So if you have any favorite fairy tale, if you like a fairy tale, then you can write here in a bracket. Yes, and when we listen to a fairy tale or any story, what should we do? We should sit silently or we should keep asking questions? We should always sit silently when someone is telling us a story, because when we ask question in between, the speaker gets disturbed and he may lose interest in telling you the story. So let's start with the poem here. What can we see in this picture? We can see a woman is sitting on a chair with a boy in her lap, and two girls are sitting besides her down on the floor. So let us see what's written here. Let us read the poem now. Tell us a tale, dear mother, a fairy tale do please. Take baby brother on your lap, we'll sit beside your knees. We'll not speak, we will not stir until the tale is told, and we'll all be oh so comfy and just as good as gold. So here children are asking their mother to tell them a tale. They both are asking their mother to tell a tale, a fairy tale. Which tale they want to listen? They want to listen a tale. Tale means story, and which particular tale they want to listen? They want to listen a fairy tale which has magical powers in it. So what these girls are saying, you can take this baby brother in your lap and we will sit beside your knees on the floor. What they are promising to their mother? They are saying that we will not speak a word in between. We will not at all disturb you. Stir means disturb. Until the tale is told. Till the tale is ended, we will not speak. We will not disturb you. And will be oh so comfy. We will sit comfortably on the floor. We will behave just as good as old. Just as good as gold is a saying. Means हम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से behave करेंगे. We will not speak any word in between. So now the mother has agreed on the request of these children, and what she is saying, what shall it be, my children? Aladdin and his lamp, or shall I tell the story of Puss in Boots, the scamp? Or would you like to hear the tale of Bluebeard, fierce and grim? Or Jack, who climbed the great beanstalk? So now the mother is giving them lot of options. Which fairy tale they want to listen? They want to listen Aladdin and his lamp, or they want to listen a story of Puss in Boots, the scamp. Yes, Puss in Boots is also a very famous fairy tale. Aladdin and his lamp you all must have heard and read, or maybe have seen in TV also. So Puss in Boots also a story of a cat, a story of a weird cat or a very clever cat. Or she's saying that, or you would like to hear the tale of a Bluebeard. Bluebeard is a man who is fierce and harsh. Or you would like to listen to the story of a Jack who climbed the great beanstalk. I think you are fond of him. She's saying that I know you love this story of Jack and the great beanstalk. Again what she's saying, or shall I tell you children about Red Riding Hood, or what befell those little babes who wandered in the wood? She's giving more options to them. Or shall I tell you, my children, about Red Riding Hood? Shall I tell you story of Red Riding Hood, or story of three little babies who wandered in the woods? What is meaning of woods? Woods means forest. Wandered means they left alone in the woods. So shall I tell you those stories, or you want to listen story about Cinderella who went? So gaily to the ball. You want to listen to about story? You want to listen a story about sweet girl Cinderella who went happily to the ball. Ball means party. So all children cried together, means this, including this boy who is sitting in her lap, they all clapped. Yes, yes. We want to hear them all. We want to hear all these stories that you just have mentioned. Yes, so I hope you all have understood this poem. Okay, so after this poem, you have to try to find out answers of these questions from the poem. I hope you will do well. Thank you.